In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to calculate Euclidean distance in ArcGIS. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So to do that, let's open our ArcMap. Then the first thing to do, set the units of this map. To do that, come to Layer, right click, come to Properties, then here under General, Map Units, change it to unit of your choice. So I want it to be in meter. And also display units, I want it to be in meter. Click on OK. So if you look here, it's already in meter. Now what to do now, we bring in the data we want to use to do Euclidean distance. Click on Add. Let's navigate to where we have the data. So this is the data on in my tutorial folder. So highlight the data and click on Add. So I have this data. I have transformer, which is a point feature. I have road, which is a linear feature, and the boundary. So we want to calculate the Euclidean distance around these features. Now let's change the symbology of this study area to hollow and click on OK. Yes, the first thing to check is to check the coordinate system of your data. Right click, click on Properties. So come under Source. If you look here, the coordinate system here is geographic coordinate system. So for you to do Euclidean distance, you must do it in projected coordinate system, whereas the data we have here is in geographic coordinate system. So likewise, this road is geographic coordinate system. So to project the data, click on Arc Toolbox, come to Data Management Tools, come to Projections and Transformations. Then you see Project. So double click it. Yes, put the first layer, which is Transformer. Then let's navigate to folder where we want to save it. Let's save it in our tutorial folder. Let's call it transformer underscore projected. So click on save. Then here choose the coordinate system. Click here. I want to choose from my favorite here and click on OK. Then click OK. So this is done. Then let's project the second layer, which is road. Click on project. Input the road and save it as road project. Click save. Choose the coordinate system, which is WGS UTM zone 32. Click OK and click OK. Yes, it's done. Now we can remove these layers. Remove them. Then let's bring in the projected layer. Click here. This is it, road projected and transformer projected. Click on add. So yes, now let's confirm the coordinate system by right clicking and go to properties. So you can see now that it's now projected coordinate system. So Now we are ready to do the Euclidean distance, which is our task. So to do Euclidean distance, come to Spatial Analysis tool. Spatial Analysis tool, come to Distance here, and you see Euclidean distance. Double click it, then input raster or feature source. Then let's do for transformer, which is the point feature. Then output distance raster. Let's navigate to our folder and call it distance from transformer. So click on save, then leave other things at default. Now we want the analysis or the process to run within the boundary we have, which is the study area. So set the environment, click on environment, and processing extent, we are choosing the same as study area. Then come to raster analysis, scroll down here, mask, we want to mask with the study area, then click OK and click on OK. So the Euclidean distance for this point feature is running background. Yes, it's done. You can see it. You can see the Euclidean distance. Now, since we set our map to be in meter, so the result you have here is in meter. Now to do for linear feature, here in we have road, click on Euclidean distance again and input the linear feature, which is road project. Then click here to where we want to save it. So let's save it as distance from road. Then click save. Then set the environment as well. The processing extent should be the same as the study area. Then come to raster analysis, come to mask. We want to mask it with the study area. Click on OK and click OK. Yes, let's close this. You can see the Euclidean distance for the linear feature, which is road. Let me uncheck this. For the road, this is the Euclidean distance. So as you are moving away from the road, you see the distance, and the distance is a meter. Likewise, for the point feature, this is it, Euclidean distance from point feature. This is it. So this is how to do Euclidean distance in ArcGIS. Thank you for watching.